Do you want to explore your role as a mother? I am on a vacation with my two sons, 12 and 21 years old, and I really felt the strong urge to explore my role as a mother. I used the algorithm Multi-Role Model of Neurographica to explore that, because there is not only one role. Show you how it looks. So I explored 8 roles. The role of a protector, of a provider, a sparring partner, an emotional harbor, a listener, a counselor on request, a guide in jungle of life. And I discovered a role which I like the most because it's quite new. It's do-it-yourself teacher. So I'm telling you now how I did that and also what happened. Because you can, in this model, after you have discovered the roles, you can adjust their sizes according to your needs. So in this drawing, I adjusted the size of a protector and of a provider, which were very big and overwhelming, and like those roles I don't want anymore that big in my life. So I drew them smaller. Be curious. I start activating my topic, my role as a mother, by writing down words in 2 minutes. After that, I draw a vertical and a horizontal line and 2 diagonals. Now I'm thinking of 8 roles I incorporate as a mother. In my case, I find protector, provider, listener, emotional harbor, sparring partner, counselor, guide in jungle of life, and do-it-yourself teacher. In the next step, I adjust the sizes of my roles according to my needs. I reduced the role of a provider and also of a protector dramatically, and gave more space for being an emotional harbor and a listener, a guide in jungle of life, and also I increased my role of do-it-yourself teacher. But I didn't do anything with the counselor except for naming it counselor on request. In the next step, I work on creating one single system by rounding and creating smooth intersections. Now I'm creating neurolines and connect all my roles to each other and to the background and to the field. And I'm also emphasizing the horizontal, the vertical, and the diagonal lines as field lines. And the next step, I choose colors for each of my roles to support their energies according to my needs. I choose the colors intuitively, which color feels right and supporting. I also let the colors flow in the background to gain energy from the field. Now I picked one shape to be my fixing shape, and I picked the role of a listener to be my fixing shape. And then I work on the style step where I add shading and most beauty to my drawing, that I feel satisfied with my result. So after drawing, I also write down words in 2 minutes, and now my words look quite satisfying to me. That means that I have created a new imprint in my brain connected to being a mother. So I'm going to read that. Guide, relax, sharing my wisdom, providing emotional support, listen, harbor, lighthouse, stable rock, do-it-yourself teacher, embracing, letting go of conditions, growth together, task, sharing personal space, practicing tolerance and friendliness, lifelong relationship, rock, stability, warmth, growth, interaction, learning, ups and downs, trust and development. So I think I created some new imprints for me and my sons, and I already feel a change in myself to be more relaxed and to have more clear communication. So Neurographica works. You can try it yourself.